Hey guys, Redmi has unveiled and shown off the new device in high quality official renders. The Redmi Note 7 Pro flagship was its blue color variant, but for its successor, the brand has chosen a special emerald green color. Honestly, it looks quite different and gives the phone a premium vibe. Given that the hands position vary in each picture and it has as if the Redmi is trying to tell us something from these images. Unfortunately, we weren't able to decipher the code. If you do figure it out, please let me know in the comment section. These renders also serve the purpose of showing you that the phone's signal will be strong in any position. The company has optimized the antenna placement to ensure strong connectivity in any grip position. The Redmi Note 8 Pro shouldn't be too wide and should be comfortable to hold. Like previously teased, the phone will feature a quad camera setup at the back, with one of the sensor being a new 64MP Samsung GW1 sensor. We can also confirm that the fingerprint sensor will be located at the back. While the phone may have a tall profile, it most definitely won't be lightweight. This is because Redmi has confirmed that the Note 8 Pro will feature a large 4500 mAh of battery on board. Redmi Note 8 Pro comes with a Helio G90T gaming processor, which is built using a 12nm process. Its power consumption is higher than 7nm processor. To solve this issue, the company decided to add an even bigger battery on the new device, and the GM also confirmed that the phone will come with a charger faster than 10 watt. The Redmi Note 8 Pro will come with a copper pipe liquid cooling, which is a brand says reduces the phone temperature by 4 to 6 degrees Celsius. This is a good thing for gamers who can enjoy playing big games. Overall, if the Redmi Note 8 Pro is priced close to its predecessor pricing, we are looking at a new champion in this segment. However, with the liquid cooling and Helio G90 on board, it's quite possible that this new generation model will be priced higher than the Redmi Note 7 Pro. So what you feel about this phone, please comment in the comment section and do share this video among your friends. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.